Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2017 17-plate BMW 335d XDRIVE. Lovely car, finished in Sapphire Black Metallic, which is one of the most desirable colours for these cars. Obviously this is the M Sport model, so we get the sportier body styling on this one. Facelift car, LCI facelift, so we've got the updated front and rear tail lamps and headlamps. We're riding on the refreshed alloy wheels. Those are 19-inch 5 twin spokes with the gloss black detailing, diamond turned outer edge, and we've got the Estoril blue brake calipers with the M Performance little decals as well. M stickers on the sides. This one, it's a fantastic spec car. So we've got panoramic glass roof, roof bars, privacy glass coming through to the back. We've got all the badging still on the vehicle, so you can tell it's something special. It's not your normal 3 Series estate. We've got the twin entry tailgate, electric tailgate, so when you press the button elegantly glides up. Parcel shelf is present. We've got the netting behind that also, added storage at the bottom there. Looking at the actual boot floor, that's in very nice order. You can tell it's not had any hard use. We've got a 12-volt power outlet in the side there, so ideal if you're looking to travel, camping. You can have a cool box in the back. Inside then is a full ebony black sort of grained leather interior. Now to match the calipers, to match the decals, we've got the lovely Estoril blue stitching against the lovely black leather. It looks superb. Leather multifunction steering wheel. We've got voice command, cruise control, speed limiter. Obviously these are an 8-speed automatic box on these. Drive fantastic. You've got the flappy paddles on the steering wheel if you want to drive it manually. We've got Harman Kardon surround sound system also. Automatic lights, automatic wipers. We've got automatic main beam on this one as well. As we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 85,637 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Coming through to the centre display, we've got the newer style infotainment system. So we've got DAB, FM, you've got AUX, you've got DVD, CD, all Bluetooth phone connectivity, communications, satellite navigation, which is really easy to follow, very responsive. You can get the split screen on that as well, so if you want to follow the sat nav, change the audio, you can do all that also. Heated front seats, dual zone climate control, central cup holders. We've got a 12-volt power outlet in the centre there. Obviously you've got your drive select, so Sport, Eco, Pro, parking sensors which you can switch on and off. That's front and rear parking sensors. Central scroll wheel for the display, central armrest which is in lovely order. We've got aux and USB within the lovely Pan-Am roof. Obviously it's opening and sliding, so you can close the blind up if you choose to do so. You can close the actual sunroof, or you can even put it all the way back. But a lovely car. Doesn't smell of pets, doesn't smell of smoke, it's not been smoked in. A very, very nice example. So, if you'd like anything further, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.